So there in the background, air traffic now giving authority for the final aircraft display of the afternoon, the Army Air Corps Lynx helicopter. And I can assure you, you're in for a treat here. The other guy in the other seat, Alex Crumple's checking the T's and P's. We're going to throw it over the top into the backflip. Yes, the trademark manoeuvre of the Army Air Corps through all the years of the Blue Eagles. Afghanistan. And through all of the first Gulf War in 91 as well. Pushing straight up now, over the top. 90 back down again. That's what we call a zoom climb. Pretty nice way to get up to altitude to do another backflip. So if you missed it the first time, take a look at this one. He's going to throw in standby right now. The backflip.